Hey guys, never mind my headband with makeup on it. Bitch, we're in quarantine, okay? I couldn't find the other little headband I wear that's not covered in makeup, so I just have to wash this, but never mind that. Can we look at my natural hair for a second? I've already uploaded a video on how I take my braids down. So here in Michigan, we are stuck under stay-at-home orders until the 15th of May, which makes sense because our COVID numbers are kind of high. So I'm bugging about that. But it's been a long time since I have taken care of my own hair. So it's currently the end of April. So we gonna see if I'm bald headed by May, because you guys know when I get frustrated with my hair, I just shave it off. So we gonna see. All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about some hair. Now, you guys know, I love makeup, but hair is where my heart is. I love creating wigs. It is a hobby of mine. I love coloring hair. I love sewing wigs. I love combing hair. I am trying to teach myself how to cut hair, and it's just something that brings me joy. So I wanted to share with you a product that I got, and hopefully it's good. So let's get started. All right, so this is a package from Afsisterwig, and I thought this was an American-based company, but it's not. I've been really trying to buy my hair from American-based companies such as Slayed by Erica J. There's another girl called Erica J. I'm trying to support Miss Jazzy the Classy. I'm just in these uncertain times, especially when a whole lot of people are out of work. I'm trying to support. The Doll Collection is another one of the companies that I try to support. So I'll leave all those down below in the description box. They all sell hair, they all sell wigs, and it's just, you know, different varieties depending on what you're looking for. Also different price ranges. All right, so I'm going to open this up and we're going to get into this. Okay, so this is a 13 by 6 skin melt lace front water wave wig, invisible Swiss lace, invisible knots, 18-inch, 180% density. I paid $216.75 for this. Now, the reason I ordered from Afsisterwig is because I watch MsPreciousMarie here on YouTube. I will leave the link to her channel down below. I've mentioned her several times. She's one of the people that I learned how to make wigs from. Anyway, she's been working with them a lot, and she is of a lighter complexion like I am. She's actually maybe 2 shades darker than me, but she said their lace is impeccable. It blends with a whole bunch of different skin tones, which means it's HD, and it's not thick. So we're gonna see if the girl knows what she's talking about, okay? I mean, she hasn't done me dirty yet, so. This is the packaging that it came in. It's nice inflated bubble wrap. So I'll throw that out. And it is a box with a bow. I like the attention to detail when it comes to these packages. I mean, I'm not a package whore, but I do appreciate good packaging when it comes. But what I really care about is what's inside the box. Once again, Afsisterwig. And this is not sponsored. I'll leave up here right there what I paid and also the specs. I realized I forgot to put that in the last video, but they're gonna be right there. All right, so let's pop this open. The box is just, you know, cardboard. So you get an elastic band. These are the bra strap kind of elastic bands with the hook and eye. And then you get this little ponytail holder. What else is in here? All right, that's it. You get a wig cap, which is, this one's too dark for me. This comes in, this is the light brown, but this is too dark for me. So what I do with these is I ship them out with the wigs that I sell on Poshmark. And then you have a little, a gift for you, $40 installation bonus. Can't install the wig by yourself, too expensive to install in a salon? Win $40 cash back from Afsisterwig for your installation. How to win the bonus. Order a wig from Afsisterwig, post pictures and videos of the wig. Basically, they're asking you to post videos like this and pictures on Instagram, and the salon You gotta tag them, and the Salon Inns account must have at least 2,000 followers. So I do care about followers. You guys know I'm not a huge YouTube person. I don't have that many followers. But if you do have a lot of followers and you are interested in making $40, because y'all know times is rough out here right now, I guess invest in an Afsisterwig. I don't like that they care about the amount of followers, honestly, but it's whatever. That's their prerogative. All right, finally, let's get into this wig. So this is how it comes packaged. This is a lace front 13x6 wig. I think I said that. Comes with the hairnet, the insert to help the wig keep its shape. Now it says these are invisible knots. These are pretty small knots. I'm still going to end up having to bleach them, but they are very small. If you can see that, super small. Now you guys know I'm not really into wearing lace front wigs, so you might be asking, why did I order this? Well, I'm going to try to put color to it, and then I save my wigs. I might wear it, you know, on a special occasion or something, or I might wait until next fall. I buy hair, but I don't always wear it right away. I think I've mentioned that in another video. So whenever I see something on sale that I'm interested in, like this was on sale, I got the original price was $254.99, but I got a discount of $40. So that's how I got it so cheap. And, you know, yeah. So when I see something on sale, you know, I purchase it and then I just don't use it for a couple months. So it's kind of like, oh, I forgot I had this. It's like, you know, kind of like finding money in your pockets. You know what I mean? All right. So this is what the hair looks like. Of course, it has not been washed. It doesn't have a smell, and the hair is super soft. It kind of feels like it has a moisturizer on it, which I can appreciate. I hate dry ass hair. Of course, I can always condition it myself, but I like when the wigs come out of the box ready to wear. Of course, I wash all of my wigs that I purchase, all the hair that I buy, all that jazz, which you should too. But I do like the idea of when it comes out of the box that it's ready to wear. So this one, it feels like you could just brush out these waves and plop it on your head. This is what it looks like on the inside. You only get the 6 inches down the center, which you know is okay with me. Some people might care. If you want a wig that has the full 6 inches all around the lace frontal, you're probably better off making your own wig, because the lace frontals that I purchased from Barry's Hair and Eunice Hair, they have the 6 inches all the way around. But usually with these pre-made wigs, they only have the 6 inches down the center because they want to be able to give you that glueless effect by placing the clips on the sides. So that's the reason why you see the clips here, because this can be worn glueless. So if they gave you 6 inches of parting space all the way around, you wouldn't be able to wear this really glueless. Anyway, it's got 4 combs. I cut the combs out of my wigs because I don't like how they tug on my natural hair. And like I said, it's got the eyes right there for you to put the hooks in to make this a glueless unit. Has a little bit of lace in the back, just in case maybe you want to put it up in a ponytail. I don't see how you would be able to do that. You maybe have like 1/4 of an inch of lace right there to put into a low ponytail, but I don't think you'd be able to put this into a very high ponytail. This is machine wefted, and it is sewn on a mesh cap, so it's going to be very breathable during the summer months. I mean, I think I've said before, I usually don't wear wigs during the summer, but like I said, special occasion or something, who knows? All right, but let's look at this lace. This lace feels a little rough, but it is super, super thin. You can see that it's frayed at the end. And let's see how this, oh yeah, this melts. This is going to melt really well. All right, so for some HD laces, they do come tinted, but they're thin enough to where it's not going to matter. So I am extremely light, but that's still going to melt very well into my skin tone. Now, you guys know transparent laces tend to be a little bit more on the like white side. This is just a neutral skin tone kind of shade. So it's not like it's beige. It's not like it's warm or anything. It's not cool tone lace. It's just a neutral shade that a majority of skin tones can wear. Now, if you are super deep dark, like super milk chocolate, dark chocolate, you're probably going to have to put a little bit of a lace tint on this when you apply it. But if you're like between the tan complexion down to my complexion, you're not going to have any issue. And then if you're fairer than I am, I don't know what you're going to do, because this might not work for super fair skin tones. I don't know, honestly. A lot of the people I know that are super fair skinned, they don't wear wigs. So I don't know how this would work on a super fair skinned individual. Maybe that's something that, you know, should be happening on YouTube, like showing people that have like super fair skin wearing these types of wigs. If you guys know any people that film videos that are super fair, like I'm talking like NC-15 kind of fair or something like that. I don't know, I'm not a matte girl, but you guys know what I mean. Link them down below. I want to check them out because I love everything hair, and I love everybody wearing wigs. I don't think wigs are just a black girl kind of thing, even though I think sometimes like social media makes us think that, but wigs are for everybody, okay? Either way, yeah, I like the lace. So I'm not gonna be able to put this on right now because I did just get out of the shower. My hair is still wet. So I'm not gonna put this on now, but I'm definitely going to bleach the knots and wash this wig out and give you an update. Like I said, it doesn't have a smell. Let me show you the ends real quick. The ends look very healthy. Overall, I think this was a good purchase. Of course, we're going to see how well these knots bleach, and I'm going to do a strand test probably here in the back to see how well it takes bleach, because you guys remember I tried to bleach my Love Me hair back in the day. I'll leave the link over here somewhere. And that wig was nice, really like out of the box, like the lace was impeccable and everything, but it did not take bleach very well. So I kind of ruined that wig because I bleached it. So this one I'm going to be smarter and just do a strand test and see how it takes, and then if it takes the bleach well, then I'll just do the whole thing. Anyway guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. Share this video because sharing is caring, and since you're here, you might as well watch some more videos. So there they are, popping up. Support your girl, okay? And I hope to see you in the next one.